Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your PC can use the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band because this is the only reliable fix for persistent Bluetooth interference. Open network adapter settings and check dual band support, then update both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth drivers. Once done, plug Ethernet if you need uninterrupted access during changes. Make sure you have admin rights to change adapter properties and router settings. This prepares the system so the next step, switching bands, succeeds without driver or permission issues. Now switch your wireless connection to 5 GHz because Bluetooth uses 4 GHz and that overlap causes interference. Log into the router, enable 5 GHz SSID or band steering, and give it a distinct name so you can pick it on the PC. On the PC, forget the 4 GHz SSID and connect to the 5 GHz SSID you created. If your adapter cannot do 5 GHz, plug in an Ethernet cable or attach a USB 5 GHz Wi-Fi adapter and connect that instead. Finish by testing both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, pair devices, stream audio, and run a speed test on the 5 GHz link. If you still see dropouts, move a USB Bluetooth dongle to a front or extension cable to increase physical separation from the Wi-Fi radio. Make sure router firmware and drivers stayed updated. If odd behavior continues, try rolling back recent driver updates or using a second USB Bluetooth dongle on a different port. This isolates hardware faults and resolves residual interference quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.